Okay, this is day 27. I'm doing this the next morning, or actually the afternoon, but should still be a map that reflects last night because I didn't close it. Let's see. So you gifted me manufacturing. The Damarian Collective wants to coordinate with me and the Donut Federation to attack Mashiropan. But I told him that I should not do that, specifically because the Donut Federation and I had a demilitarization agreement around the suspicion of the cult, and so it'd be just a little bit awkward to try to negotiate after that. He's told me, privately that he's anti-cult, but he didn't declare that he was anti-cult in the anti-cult thread. And then Ferengi was trying to coordinate attack against them that would have been this morning, against the cult this morning, and then they canceled it, according, I guess, because of some intel that Battle Hazard has. Perhaps they found out that the cult doesn't want to attack Mashiropan without the Donut Federation's support. That could be. Yeah, still focusing on economy as best I can. And it's kind of interesting. There's been kind of a drop-off in the number of wars. I feel like there's just a lot of tension building up. Mashiropan's getting crazy powerful. I'm going to continue investing in my economy, even if it means kind of blowing over the top here. It'll bring, but maybe not. I really don't want to bring attention to myself. Interesting. I really don't know what to do. Anytime anyone ends up at the top of any leaderboard, makes themselves a target. But I need the economy if I'm going to catch up and be a real contender again. So I'm going to have to risk it. I think my low star count, will help me go a long way. I traded for, what did I get? Terraforming with the Damarian Collective as well. I gave them twice the cost of the trade. He seemed happy with that. Honestly, I'd be willing to pay a lot more. So I feel like I'm the one. I feel like I'm getting a pretty good deal. The cult may end up being good allies. I don't know. I mean, the long and short of it is I don't know. I don't owe anyone anything, and I don't want to take. I basically intend to choose the winning side. That's all I care about. Right now, I have no idea who that's going to be. All right, that's day 27.